Friends, in the previous session, we saw some examples where we use this identity. In this session, we will look at some common mistakes that can happen while using this identity. Let me start by asking you this question. Can you find the value of 3x minus 2y raised to the power of 2? Which of the following options is correct? The correct option is D. Some of you might have got option A, B or C as the answer. But all these are wrong options. Let us see why. We have the misconception that a minus b raised to the power of 2 will be equal to a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2. That is why we get option A as the answer. But this is not the correct answer. We have seen that a minus b raised to the power of 2 is equal to this and not this. So option A is incorrect. Now while expanding this, some of us apply this identity. But we write the minus sign over here like this. We tend to make this mistake because we see that the minus sign is associated with 2y. And so, while expanding, we write the square of 2y and we write the minus sign as it is, which is incorrect. So, option B is wrong. Some of us get option C as the answer because while using the identity, we tend to forget to multiply by 2. So, we end up getting the incorrect answer. Thus, option C is also wrong. Since we have to solve 3x minus 2y raised to the power of 2, here A will be 3x and B will be 2y. On solving this using this identity, we will get this. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Now look at this question. Can you tell which of the following is the correct option? The correct option is B. Some of you might have got A as the answer. But this is incorrect. Let us see why. We get option A as the answer because while finding the square of these two terms, we find the squares of x and y only. But we forget to square the coefficients associated with x and y. So we should ensure that along with variables, the square of their coefficients is also calculated. This question can be solved by using the same identity. Here, A is 4x and B is 5y. Therefore, the answer is this. Hence, the correct option is B. In this session, we saw some common mistakes that can happen while using this identity.